Does that one get hooked or not? No, he didn't get hooked.
They're fighting over it.
My goodness gracious.
Put one on there if it's right.
Oh! Did they eat all the worm again?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Grandpa have to put more worm on. Okay. Go Lincoln!
When you talk about cheating, you kind of go like, you bounce. Oh! He got the worm and didn't get on the hook again.
That's kind of... Do you want it to go farther down, Emily? There you go. Oh, man.
Oh, don't move it so fast.
Looks like they're fighting over it.
I think we're just feeding the fish is what we're doing.
It looks like the fish are fighting over the worm.
All right.
Oh, they ate it.
Hold up!
Woo! Good job, Emily! Woohoo!
Big one!
Now we got one.
Oh, that's bigger than Aunt Abby caught.
Oh, don't hit Uncle Wade.
Okay, you ready to fish some more, Emily?
Sure.
Okay.
I did it.
Look at that big one again.
Whoa.
Whoa. You see him?
Its tail. Let's put him back in, okay?
Shall we?
Yep, Emily wants to throw him in.
You gonna throw him in? You gonna get him?
Oh.
You're braver than your
Throw
mom.
him away, little fishy. Swim away.